see that? So yeah, you gotta give it a good squeeze for it to come out, because it ain't going nowhere. See that? It ain't going nowhere. Yeah, it ain't going nowhere. Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne. Today I'm about to try a new to me conditioner. So if you're interested in seeing what I'm going to do with this freshly washed hair with this conditioner, make sure you hold on. Don't go nowhere. Don't go nowhere. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up, share this with someone, and feel free to leave me a comment at the end of this video. Okay, so what I am going to try out today is the Main Choice Do It Fro the Culture Untouchable Definition and Unmatched Volume Courageous Conditioner. And it's this, yes. So I'm sure, you know, many of you have tried this in the past because it just came out some years back, but this is new to me, so I'm gonna try it. Let's go ahead and first off take a look at the product. Directions: after shampooing with Do It Fro the Culture Powerful Shampoo, distribute evenly throughout top dried hair, especially the ends. Leave in hair for 3 to 5 minutes and rinse well with cool water. So now that you took a look at it, what this product reminds me of, just looking at it, it reminds me of one of the facial masks I had. I don't know if it was through Elemis or somebody, but it had that type of greenish color. Yeah, so just looking at this, you know that it's, to me, seems like it's just full of herbs and good stuff, but it has charcoal in it, so of course it's going to change the color. So yes, this says this is powered by black charcoal and black cumin. I never even knew there was black cumin. Matter of fact, looking at this again, it is the color of cumin. Ain't that something? Okay, so somewhere on the screen I'll go ahead and note what the benefits of black charcoal and black cumin is when it relates to hair and scalp. Now I know for a fact black charcoal is a great detoxifier. I mean, it's in everything. It's in facial masks, it's in all kinds of things. Yeah, and with our hair, you know, think of all the impurities that get stuck in our hair from just basically the environment, you know. So this does say to put on freshly washed hair. Clearly this is a washout conditioner. I wouldn't consider this a deep conditioner, because 3 to 5 minutes, yeah. This has no mineral oil, no petroleum, no parabens, and what it claims to do is deliver the perfect balance of definition and volume. Okay, Do It Fro the Culture, I can get it with the fro part, but the definition part, I don't know. quite get that part. But hey, whatever. It says non-stripping. That's if it's a conditioner, it better not be stripping. Leaves hair feeling soft and tangle free. Okay, I like that. Delivers lasting moisture and shine. Yes, I like that. And gentle enough for daily use. I won't be using it daily, but it's interesting. This says it's for afro textured hair. I don't know who you know who has afro textured hair who washes their hair daily. That was just interesting to see that. My own opinion. So anyway, so yes, this is freshly washed hair. Let me get this up out of here. I did not detangle. Now the claims have nothing to do with detangling or anything like that. So it said add volume. You know, I have plenty enough volume as it is. So anyway, some lip gloss on. I didn't know I had a little portion that wasn't quite on my lip. Excuse me, y'all. So anyway, yeah, so let's go ahead and try this. My hair is not detangled. It doesn't say it's supposed to give a lot of slip or anything like that. I did not detangle my hair prior to this, so this is gonna be interesting. It says it's not stripping, so that part's good. Let's just see. This reminds me of, I don't know. It almost reminds me like it has clay in it or something. And I will go ahead and show the ingredients if I haven't already. Yeah, this stuff is thick. Can you see that? So yeah, you gotta give it a good squeeze for it to come out because it ain't going nowhere. See that? It ain't going nowhere. Yeah, it ain't going nowhere. Okay, so pretty thick. I feel like I'm going to use quite a bit of this since it's not moving. It kind of looks like a clay on my hair. But lots of clays have charcoal in it, so I get it, I get it. The smell is kind of a medicinal smell, yeah. Okay, so as you can see, this conditioner is a little different from, you know, your standard deep conditioner or something like that. It's not claiming to be a deep conditioner. Leave it on 3 to 5 minutes. It's already been about 3 to 5 minutes on this side. I'm gonna leave it on just a little bit, and then I'm gonna wash it out. So far, I think it is helping to soften up my hair, but does it have slip? No. I'm not gonna run my wide tooth comb through it. I don't know. Let's try. Let's try. Let's try. On this side, it's had it in the longest. You almost can't even tell it's in my hair now, so it does eventually soak into the strands. Yeah. It's definitely not a detangler. No. So with this product, I'll probably just finger detangle. I'm not, you know, I am able to pull my hair apart, get some shed hairs out, so. Okay, so this is what we have as far as my hair. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and wash it out, and I am just gonna go ahead and predict my hair is gonna look about the same. So I'll be back. Okay. So this is my hair with it washed out. I mean, it feels moisturized, but not as soft as it would be if I had went in with a deep conditioner. Now, I could have used this with heat, and maybe that would have did, you know, a little bit more, but I mean, my hair is soft. It's not, I cannot run my fingers through it. Yeah, no, that ain't happening. I mean, it's okay. It's just okay to me. I mean, would I go out and buy this after I use this up? Probably not. But I think for me, what I'll use it again for is when, let's see, I think this might be a good thing to try after you take your hair out of like a protective style. It's been braided up for a while. You know, when you do a lot of extra things to get your hair back, you know, revived and everything, for having it in a protective style or something like that. Detoxing is always good, so this would be good if you don't have a detoxifier in your stash. I think it would be good for that. I'm gonna go ahead and get off here. I will probably post this before Juneteenth, so make sure, you know, you have a wonderful Juneteenth. You know, remember, we have come a long way. We still have more to go. And we deserve every bit of the celebration of Juneteenth, okay? You know, we deserve it. Our people have been through a lot. So anyway, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you share this with someone, you know, pass it on, pass on the love. Give this video a thumbs up, because when you give this video a thumbs up, it lets other people out in the YouTube streets know, hey, you might want to check out that channel, and it, you know, pushes me out in the algorithm, and I would really super appreciate that, because we want to bring more roses to the rose garden. Okay, leave me a comment if you would like. And other than that, roses, I will talk to you later. Bye.